Hello, Varsha.
Hello.
Today I am talking about my city, Jalgaon. Jalgaon, the gold city of Maharashtra. It's popular to known as gold city of Maharashtra because it produces the purest gold other other than, and it is also known as it's also called and it is also known as a banana city because there are 70% of the banana in Maharashtra are produces is only in Jalgaon. And Jalgaon city are represent the Khandesh territory. And also there are two common languages are used in Jalgaon city. One is Lewaboli and second is Airani. And approximately 5 lakh populations are in Jalgaon city. And the Girna river is the biggest river in the Maharashtra, which is flows through the western part of the Jalgaon. In Jalgaon, there are various popular places like Gandhi Garden, Bainabai Garden, then JK Park, Mehrun Lake, etc. etc. And also the municipal corporation building in the Jalgaon is the biggest municipal corporation building in the Maharashtra. Is popular to known as biggest building in Maharashtra because it has 17th floor. And also there are biggest festival in the Jalgaon city is Sri Ram Rath festival. In this tradition is 170 years old approximately. That's it.
Okay. That means it is a nice place. I should visit once. Okay. Hello, Vijay. So, as you're asking from where I belong to, so today I will tell you about from where I belong to. I belong to Ratlam. Ratlam is located in Malwa region and Madhya Pradesh state. It covers the Rajasthan and Gujarat border. It is in the center of the Gujarat border and the Rajasthan border. It is a very beautiful place. It is not a too big and a small town, average. And its population about 6 to 7 lakh approx, not confirm.
Okay.
And there are many visiting places around the Ratlam, nearby the Ratlam. I will tell you one by one. First is the Kalika Mata temple. It is the heart of the Ratlam where it is the heart of the Ratlam, where is our garden, beautiful garden, polo ground, and one bigger. It is one as Dhali Talab. It's a river. It's called Dhali Talab. In the Navratri, I think you know about the Navratri festival. In the during of the Navratri, uh, because it is a Mataji temple, so during Navratri we celebrate. Sorry. There is a big fair organized in the 9 days festival. Many outsiders come to place their shops like food shops, toy shops, and many more. And girls play the dandiya. Dandiya is the main festival of the Gujarat, but as I tell you, Ratlam cover the Gujarat border also. So Dandiya is also main festival of the Ratlam. Girls come in the temple with complete dress up and play the dandiya ras in front of the temple. And one is secondly is uh, a JVL temple which is made by the Asharam Bapuji.
Okay.
Yes, here is the nine. In this JVL temple, there are many temples of the Lord, just like Ganesha, Navgraha, Lakshmi ji, Hanuman ji. I think all the goddess temples are there in a one place. And first, especially three are famous of the Ratlam. First is a sari, designer sari. Designer sari. Ratlam has a big wholesale market of designer sari. Secondly is a pure gold. Ratlam is a famous for the pure gold. Third is a Ratlami namkeen. Save called save. Ratlami save is famous in not only in Ratlam, even all over world.
What is the favorite food of Ratlamkars?
Obviously, it is there in Malwa region. So jalebi, poha, samosa, kachori, Indore, Bhopal, Ratlam. These all are the region of in the Malwa region. So here is famous poha, jalebi, samosa. These are the famous food of there.
Okay.
And there are
That's
many
why I'm
more.
asking.
Sorry.
I am foodie. That's why I'm asking you this question.
Okay. So once you should visit to Ratlam
Okay.
to eat poha, jalebi, especially for Ratlami sev.
Yes, sure, sure.
Yes, actually, Ratlami sev is my also favorite. Without sev, I can't eat food. And Ratlam has a huge market for different things, a separate market. First, a sari market. In the sari market, all if you want to buy all the designer sari, you should go to Chaumukhi Pul. It is the main market, posh area of the Ratlam. All the outsiders come to purchase saris and many more things. The second market is a Tasara Bazar market where you can buy the sari in bulk order. Third market is a Gulab Chakkar, which is also known as the Sarafa market. Here all the gold shops are there, and all the people of the Ratlam and outsider of the Ratlam come to this market for shopping. Especially Ratlam. Ratlam is especially famous for the shopping. And also, if I talk about the outside visiting place, there is a Selana. Selana, Selana is also a temple. It is 20 kilometers far away from the Ratlam, and it is under the rocks and have a one waterfall. It is also very beautiful place, and here, all the caste and religious peoples live together and celebrate festivals, just like Holi, Diwali, Navratri. Main festival is Diwali and Navratri. Ratlami people celebrate this festival very good. I like Diwali of the Ratlam. I always miss the Diwali of the Ratlam because in the Diwali, all the full market is decorated by beautiful lights and the sari market. In the sari market, a competition is there in all the shops, and it's decorated very beautiful. And here also a one Lakshmi temple. Lakshmi temple is decorated during the Diwali for 5 days from Dashera to Bhai Dooj. If you want to uh, if you want to go for darshan in Lakshmi temple, you have to wait for 3 to 4 hours
Oh,
because it is the attraction of the Ratlama during the Diwali festival. It is decorated by the lots of money, gold bricks, silver bricks, and almost it is a Lakshmi temple. As a name is the Lakshmi temple, so it is a
yes,
full
yes.
decoration of by only gold, silver, money, bank money, and jewelry, etc. It looks very beautiful. Uh, and uh, and this all about Ratlam. It's not a big city, but it is a very good city. I always miss the Ratlam. Once you should also visit it.
Yes, yes.
Okay, so this is a all about our city, Ratlam and Jalgaon. It is a combination of Maharashtra and MP. And sir, you should also visit Ratlam to eat poha jalebi and Ratlam, and you should visit Jalgaon to eat banana. Am I right?
Yes, yes.
Yes. Okay. Thank you, sir.
Yes. Thank you.